Most businesses know when their IT provider isn't delivering. The problem isn't recognizing it, it's worrying about what happens if you leave. Many companies stay with poor IT support because they're afraid of downtime. Ironically, staying often creates the bigger risk. Let's talk about how to switch providers safely, securely, and without disrupting your business. Most businesses stay with a bad IT provider for one reason: they're scared of downtime. But here's the irony: staying is often what puts them at risk. Slow support, weak security, compliance gaps, and unresolved issues that continue to grow. The cost of waiting adds up. Slow support, delayed security updates, and missed compliance requirements all increase business risk. The good news? A well-managed provider transition can happen with little to no disruption for your team. When is it time to switch providers? Watch for unresolved tickets, missed SLAs, weak security practices, compliance concerns, surprise charges, and a lack of strategic direction. If your IT partner is constantly reacting instead of planning, it may be time for a change. The biggest concern is the transition. The safest approach is a phased migration. Back up critical data, run systems in parallel, and move services one at a time. This creates a safety net if issues arise. Avoid big bang migrations. Small controlled steps reduce risk and downtime. Here's a real example. A Houston CPA firm delayed switching providers because they feared disruption during tax season. With a structured migration plan, the transition was completed in just 2 weeks with zero downtime. Critical systems were secured, key services were migrated smoothly, and business operations continued without interruption. Employees noticed the improvement almost immediately. Quick FAQ: can you switch without downtime? Yes, with a phased migration plan. How long does it take? Usually 10 to 30 days. What should you request? Credentials, documentation, licenses, backups, and an offboarding report. Get everything in writing before the transition begins. Here's the bottom line: the wrong IT provider can cost you time, security, compliance, and productivity. But switching doesn't have to be disruptive. With the right plan and partner, the transition can be smooth, secure, and seamless for your team. If these challenges sound familiar, it may be time to explore your options. Uprite can help assess your environment and create a low-risk transition plan. No pressure, no obligation, just a clear path forward. Click the link below to learn more.